In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get letters with accent marks in PowerPoint. Accented letters are crucial for accurate spelling in many languages, and knowing how to insert them can be incredibly useful when creating multilingual presentations. So let's dive into the steps. First, you'll want to open the Microsoft PowerPoint application on your computer. If you haven't done that already, take a moment to locate the PowerPoint icon, typically found in your Start menu or on your desktop. Once the application is running, you'll need to open an existing presentation. If you're starting fresh, you can create a new presentation, but for today, let's work with one that's already prepared. With your presentation open, look towards the top of the screen for the menu bar. Here you're going to click on the Insert tab. The Insert tab is essential for adding various elements to your slides, from images to charts, and of course symbols. Next, after selecting the Insert tab, you'll find an option labelled Symbols over on the right side of the toolbar. Click on Symbols and a new dialog box will appear. This dialog box gives you access to a wide range of symbols and special characters, including letters with accent marks. In the symbol dialog, you can browse through different fonts and subsets to find exactly what you need. To locate accented characters, you'll want to make your way to the subset drop-down menu within the symbol dialog. Select Latin 1 supplement to access common accented letters used in many European languages. However, depending on your requirements, you might also explore Latin extended A or other subsets for a broader array of accented characters. Once you've found the character you need, all you have to do is click on it and then hit the Insert button, located just at the bottom of the dialog box. The character will be placed directly onto your slide wherever the cursor is positioned. If you need multiple accented characters, simply repeat these steps until you've added them all. This process is a fantastic tool for ensuring that your presentations are not just informative, but also linguistically accurate. Remember, using proper accents can make a significant difference, particularly when addressing diverse audiences or presenting in a language other than English. And there you have it, a simple, straightforward way to incorporate accent marks into any PowerPoint presentation. Thank you for tuning in today, and I hope this tutorial makes your PowerPoint experience a lot more efficient and versatile. Stay tuned for more helpful tips and tricks on using PowerPoint and other software tools. Until next time, happy presenting. Peace.